En los ojos el brillo.
This next series is about body integrity, which has been my special thing. We've studied a lot about what makes movement beautiful, and there are a whole ton of things. But I think that the most important one is moving from your center around your center. And because of that, I've worked very successfully with a lot of our students, the ones that are willing to suffer with it, to create this understanding of how to move. And I've created some exercises for them, which I think are going to be pretty hard to show on video, but we're going to cheat as much as we can and do the best we can to get you to understand what I'm trying to do. The first one is just about moving from the center. And I think for that, you're going to have to like tuck in and tighten up and the sacrifices he makes because we
Actually,
care
I did the
about
order
you.
wrong. I should tuck in before I tighten, right?
Right.
Minor detail. Keep going.
And so really what it's about is he's going to engage his... So when I do this with our students, I say, make your hand into a spear. Touch me under my flab, right into my muscle. And then I have them feel my muscle engaging as I lift my arm. Well, that's almost, I can't get you to do that. I can't figure out how to get each of you to, if you come see me,
Extend
I'll do
your
it
arm
with you.
4,000 miles.
Yeah, otherwise I can't figure out how. So what I'm going to do is try to show it to you on David. So I'm going to touch in here and see if you can't see him engage. And then the idea is he engages here, it travels up his body.
Watch the mic.
I wasn't going to touch the mic.
Keep going.
It engages here, and he's a lot harder than I am. It travels up his body, and then that's what makes his arm move. It's kind of like magic. So let me try it from this side and have him do that. So engage, and then go. And I don't know if you can see that. Let me get him over here. And, okay, you touch your own body like that, because so that my hand isn't in the way.
It's in.
And then let it rise the
rises
other.
Up, and then raises the arm.
So I hope that you could see that. If you can see it, practice it. Practice it by taking one hand and holding tight in your belly, and then feeling the energy go up until it hits your back, and then from your back as well, it raises your arm. If you come to me, I'll do it with you. I know it's really hard, but I also know it's the single biggest thing to making your movement more beautiful. Thank you.